Okay, so in this video, I just want to show you what does the exponent represent actually. So like exponent, this number, it represents this thing, how many of it? Like it says that it's 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Do you see? Yeah. Then from here, exponent represent our base, which is b multiplied by b multiplied by b multiplied by b. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and do you see? And also we got 2c, c multiplied by c. Then what you should know, if there is nothing between these two things, there is multiply, there is a dot, and a dot represent what? Represent multiply, which can be also represented in bracket. So meaning here there is multiply here. Yeah. If there is nothing, there is a dot, and a dot represents multiply, which can be also represented in brackets. Yeah. So even here, if there is nothing, there is a dot, meaning it's 5 multiplied by x, multiplied by x, multiplied by x. Then another thing that I would like to say, guys, is that there must be a difference between your x and the multiply. That there must be a difference. Your x must not be the same as multiply. Do you see that? Yeah. So there must be a difference between multiply and the x. So even here, this thing tells us that we got 4x multiplied by x. Okay, multiply by x, multiply by x. Say multiply x, multiply by x. Do you see? So now we got how many x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means this thing we got 6x. Yeah. Do you see Mustari? Yeah. So now here, if you say a dot, you see multiply. So it means that we got 2r and also got p, p2 and 3. Do you see Mustari? So the answer of this thing, it's 3r exponent 2 p to the exponent 2. Yeah. So for this one, a number to a number like 3 multiplied by what? 5. And say multiply a multiplied by a, b multiplied by b. Okay? So this thing, when you press from your calculator, you'll get what? 15. And this thing, you can see that you got 2a multiplied by 2b. Do you see? Yeah. So actually the answer here, that multiply can be just disappear, meaning it will be 15a 2b. Yeah, so this one is the answer, which is this thing is the same as that one. Yeah. So then for this one, you can just group them, a number to a number, and multiply. Got that x and multiply by y, multiply by a. Meaning this thing, when you multiply both of it, I think it will be 24. And here it's x, y, a. Then here, no need for you to put them. It doesn't matter the way you put these numbers. If you want to, you can put them in alphabetical, or you can put them otherwise. Do you see? Yeah. Then for this one, we can group a number to a number, minus, and say multiply by 2, and say multiply by p, multiply by x, multiply by x, multiply by x. So this one, it is a number to a number. If you can press this thing on calculator, you'll get minus 8. And p, and how many x do we have? 1, 2, 3, 3. Do you see most this thing? Yeah. So if you want to, you can just take a screenshot and do your own notes. Yeah, you can just try to do your own notes. So a key thing about this video is that exponent, it represents how many base do we have? It means that that exponent is 3. It means that you got 3 base, like 7 multiplied 7 multiplied by 7. Do you see? Yeah. And now, yeah, even here, all the